my name is Amelia. I work with Vaughan Public Libraries as an information assistant. I'm bringing to you a really fun activity you guys could do with your kids if you're bored at home. You're going to need a few simple things. So I use file folders, but you can also use toilet paper. You're going to need a marker, some scissors, some tape, and either marbles or a little bracelet, because we're going to be making a do-it-yourself marble run. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the file folders and make 3 tubes, but you want to make them various sizes. So I did a big one, a medium-sized one, and a smaller one. Once you're done making those, so as you can see, I just taped them on the side here. You want to take your marker and you want to make some markings on them. So on the big one, I made a big rectangle. So it should reach the X on the other side. So you want to make the X like all the way up here, because you're going to use these X's to make circles. And these circles are going to be attached with ramps. So you want to make it fairly high. And then you're going to want to make 2 X's on the medium one. So one where it'll meet from the big one to the medium one. And then the second X where it'll meet with the littler tube. So obviously there's going to be another X in the littler tube. And then you're also going to want to make a smaller rectangle where the bead will be taken out once it's gone through your marble run. To make these, you just cut up a strip of paper and then fold the sides. And then where you have the X's, you can just pinch it and use your scissors to cut a half circle. And so this will create a hole for you to use for your marbles, and that's where your ramp will be attached to. So I made one right here, so you can see how it works. So this is a finished one. So this is the bigger one, and I cut out the circle or the rectangle in the back here. These are the circles, and they're attached with ramps. So here's the first one going to the medium, and then from the medium one going to the smaller one. Here's the ramps. And then on the smaller one, there's a little door where the marble will exit through. So once you're done that, you can also make a littler scoop thingy. It's just doing the same thing, making these little ramps. You can just make a littler ramp. It's a scoop. And you can use that to go beep, 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 up all the way. And then this is where you drop it in. And there it goes. And so you can scoop it again through the door. Endless fun. For more content like this, visit our Vaughan Public Library's Instagram page. We have a lot of really cool videos coming out. That's it. See you later.